Hey guys, so to connect your SkyQ remote to your LG TV, what you can try to do is this. Press home on your SkyQ remote, select settings, setup and remote control. Then you're going to select the remote you're using, select control your TV, then select your TV brand and select find it for me. Hold 1 and 3 together and enter the code that appears. Test whether or not your remote has paired successfully with your TV by operating the volume buttons. If it doesn't change the volume on TV, press no, try another. So this is something that you can try to do. Just like pause this video and try it out. And I hope it is going to actually like help you to connect the SkyQ remote to your TV. So thank you very much and have a great day. So press home on the SkyQ remote, select settings, setup remote control, select the remote you're using, select control your TV and then select TV brand, select find it for me. Yep.